In CK suite, we have depth of inheritance tree, DIT. So inheritance is a class properties are inherited by another class. For example, you have the attributes and function of class A, class B you have defined, class C you have defined, and you have inherited the classes which are above it. So one is called parent, the other is called children like that. But the depth of inheritance tree is how far you are going to down the level. So this metric is the maximum length from node to the root of the tree. How many nodes you are covering? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just compute the number of nodes. You have 4 nodes here. So this is the depth of inheritance. And since we have these C1, for example, C2, just take. The DIT of class hierarchy in this figure, as I am suggesting, it is 4. And when this depth of inheritance increases and when it decreases, that directly represents the complexity of object-oriented design. As DIT will grow, the lower level classes are bound to inherit many methods from C, C2, C21, C211 will inherit. Okay. Now DIT I am showing because here you see the bottom is quite heavy. DIT2, the balance tree, if you see here. So we want the balance kind of tree because we want that the inheritance should be up to a limit, should be controllable. So the depth of inheritance tree DIT should not be higher than what we are expecting. So difficulty we will have in order to predict the behavior of the class which are in the lower depth in the inheritance tree. So a deep class hierarchy, clearly you see it means that the design complexity of your design is quite higher. Large DIT values, it implies many methods can be reused because the C method has been reused to C2, C2 has been reused to C21, C21 is reused to C211. So reuse can be a thing here.